up to OXL in the Linglestown heat. Lebanon Airsoft Society throwing the meat. Got jack tack gear stacking racks on the table. Poppers patches popping, you know the stable. Swapmeet dreams in the summer sun. Airsoft deals, yeah we're having some fun. Guerrilla outfitters, they keep it legit. Marky's got the goods, come and take your pick.
So tell me about your booth here, bud. What do you got?
Majority of it's beer, couple operator
Okay, combat machine.
Yeah, don't stop combat machine. We have a calico jacket, MOSFET, and then this also has a big tight unit with an upgraded hot
But it's got a 4-prong thing, quick detach. You have a couple mags, and it comes with this, which is an EMG Guardian, but you can put like a tracer unit in this in case you don't want the 400 or best.
That'd be too bold. Yeah, like
Airsoft deals, yeah we're having some fun. Guerrilla outfitters, they keep it legit. Marky's got the goods, come and take your pick. Lebanon Airsoft crew, they set the stage. Community strong, it's all the rage. From rifles to rigs, the deals don't quit. At OXL, yeah, we're making it lit.
oh, it comes with a loader.
Lebanon Airsoft crew, they set the stage. Community strong, it's all the rage. From rifles to rigs, the deals don't quit. At OXL, yeah, we're making it lit. Lebanon Airsoft crew, they set the stage. Community strong, it's all the rage. From rifles to rigs, the deals don't quit. At OXL, yeah, we're making it lit. Lebanon Airsoft crew, they set the stage. Community strong, it's all the rage. From rifles to rigs, the deals don't quit. At OXL, yeah, we're making it lit. We're making it lit. We're making it lit. We're making it lit. Swapmeet dreams in the summer sun. Airsoft deals, yeah we're having some fun. Guerrilla outfitters, they keep it legit. Marky's got the goods, come and take your pick.
Gun hit! Gun hit! Gun hit! Hit my sight, holy shit!
Lebanon Airsoft crew, they set the stage. Community strong, it's all the rage.
Thank you all for coming out to the first ever Lebanon Airsoft Society Swap Meet. I do appreciate everybody coming out here, having a good time. A lot of you came up, a lot of you made some good trades, good sales. I'm happy to say that it was a huge success. I only expected only a few people, but you guys really made it a huge special day. So thank you. Give a round of applause to you all. Thank you. So we're going to raffle off a couple of things, and I'm going to pass it over to my buddy Blaze. Let's give a huge thanks to OXL for letting us host shopping here. And our sponsors, Jack and Tax, Lebanon Airsoft Cruise Beyond Compare. And of course, OXL and those parts together. Alright, who's ready for some free stuff?
Take a peek, Poppins patches so cool, make your kit unique.
And our sponsors, Jackal Tackle, Guerrilla Outfitters, Marky's Building Maintenance, Poppins Patches, and of course OXL and OS Parks in general. Alright, who's ready for some free stuff?
The raffle off, what we got here is 3 half-price tickets for here.
If you bring a buddy, you can get half off for you and your friend if you bring a new person here. We also have codes on the back for poppinspatches.com. They're a new US-based patches company. We want to support them a little bit, so these are $25 gift cards. So good luck.
We already gave away out here.
I was already auctioned off.
For the next bag, last 3 are 035, 031, 031, 058. One more chance. You're fine.
OXL's the spot where the bargains are found.
Myself, Tactical Wasteman, check me out on YouTube. Is this baby pack? Oh, Brandon! From Gorilla Outfitters. Gorilla Outfitters is a Soviet surplus guy. He has a bunch of surplus here in the U.S. He also makes these really cool custom pouches. So if you ever are interested, please check his website out. It's really cool, really funny on Instagram. So yeah. 040! Yeah! Alright, all tags donated by Jackal Capital. It's a pack box over there. Woo! Ready for the last one? It's a can pack box! Thank you, Jackal Capital! You need this, you work hard, you deserve this. Dude, thanks to Marky's pouring maintenance, by the way. My job, where I went. You've probably seen this before. Already bought here is this gas blowback 1911 with an extra bag. It looks like it was pack-a-punch. And the very last one. Alright, last but not least, thanks to Jackal Tactical yet again. Thank you, Paul. It's very beautiful AAP. A short-barreled AAP. Short-barreled AAP. Ooh. You pick it, Nico. I got a short-barrel too. And I'm just gonna vote. Good luck! Just before we do this giveaway, I do want to give a thank you to all my guys on Lebanon Airsoft Society. They helped me out a lot today. It was a lot of prep, so thank you guys. I thank you so much. Alright. And the last numbers are 033! Yeah! Thank you guys for coming out, and I hope to see you guys here next year.